We are recording. Okay. All right. I believe. Okay, there's 3:50 a.m. Wait a minute. UTC -7. 6:45. Okay. Gio was streaming. Okay, he was streaming. We were talking about. I think I went long around here. So New York Open right here, come down, and that was the end of that. Was the end of that. That was the end of New York Open. So from right around here is when obviously we started heading back up. Okay, so let's do structure. Where's our structure? I'm going to start from. We'll start from here. Oops, that is way off. I want to change the color. I want to do some like bright yellow so we can see it. All right, let's start over because it didn't. I'm going to turn my magnet off also because I didn't do. All right, here, here, here. We're going to skip some stuff, okay? Here, here, boom. Nope. Boom, boom. No, and then we come to here. Okay, that's not a higher high. Actually, it was just here. So don't mind that click. I screwed that up. Okay, here. And now we're starting to come up. Okay. I'm going to boom. So we haven't broken our high. Here's our high, right? This is our high. Would that be our high? Hold on one second. I missed that because that's important. Okay. Here. Now as I'm drawing it out, see, this is what screws me up. Because I thought we broke structure here on a lower time frame. Okay. We actually didn't break structure until here. So as I was looking at it on my way home, 3-minute structure didn't break until here. So I actually thought that we could have gotten in. I mean, I was watching, we could be watching this high here, okay, breaking this high as we are coming down. Now, could we count? Can we do like 1-minute structure? Yeah, so I think I'm okay with 3-minute. I really do. Okay, let's start here. Boom. As we're coming up, let's just skip that. We'll come straight to here. Okay, here's our two chances that we could have got into this trade here. Internal, okay, from this high here. Okay, from that high there, we could have gotten in from this break right there. Okay, twice. They gave us two chances to get in here. Here and here, two separate chances. Boom, here. So let's just, oh man, you pulled the wrong one, brother. Let's just say we get in somewhere around there. Set the stop below here. First TP for me is VWAP. Okay. First TP for me is VWAP. Now, yes, that's a 1.9% trade. If you got in roughly, let's just say you're not going to get in right at the low. You get in at 104. What is it? 104, 588, let's just call 104.6. And you TP right at 105.5. There's $900. Okay. Now for me, let's do a bar replay. Okay, let's bring it back here. This is the way we can talk about how we're going to do this. We're going to go a little slower. We're not going to go 5x. We'll go 3x. It's pretty quick. Okay, boom, you can get in. Wow, that goes really fast, doesn't it? Give it to us on our second chance here. Okay. So obviously hindsight trading is what it is, but we're gonna go over why we could have entered anywhere in this area here. Okay. Anywhere in this area here, TPing at VWAP. Okay, VWAP's a ways up. VWAP's $1,000 up. It's not like VWAP is here. Okay, if VWAP was super close to anywhere where this was happening, then I'm waiting to recapture VWAP to go long. But we're $1,000 away. That is okay with me. Okay, that is okay with me. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna buy. Let's just pretend that each click is 0.25. Okay, is 0.25 Bitcoin. So we got 4. I'm in because I do breakout and I go in at 0.25. You all know that. Okay, so I'm going long here, TPing at VWAP. Okay, and obviously we know what's going to happen. Okay. All right, and also as we are watching our structure here, okay, we have a structure break. We have a break structure on the 3-minute, and we're coming back down. Okay, if we're looking at the reason why I have money flow up still is simply for the fact the only reason why I have money flow up is the momentum waves, the green dots, red dots, all that other bullshit is fucking me up. And it possibly, I'm not saying this, I'm not talking for everybody, and I'm gonna say this just for myself, that it's fucking me up. Okay. And the only thing that's working for me is the money flow. Okay. Is the money flow. And you can shift back to different time frames and see what's happening with the money flow. But for the 3-minute, and we start seeing this stuff here, and you're watching your structure. Okay, you're watching your structure. Even if you got in anywhere around here, you still set your stop down here. Okay, 104.5, 104.1. That's not a terrible stop. That's not a terrible stop. It's a $400 stop. It's a little big for me, but still, it's not bad. Okay, and we have a break structure. They gave us 2 different chances to get in here. Money flow is coming up. So if you missed it here, and we were lucky enough to get in it here at this point here, you can see that money flow is trending up. Okay, so fuck it. Here's your boom, boom, boom. What are we targeting? First take profit is gotta be VWAP. Non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Okay, non-negotiable TP at VWAP, no matter what. Boom. Ah, fuck. Oh well, let it keep playing. I most likely would have TP'd there. Now I know it's going to blow through VWAP here pretty quick. But it touched it, and these candles are going quick. So we are going to TP right here. Well, okay, great. So I'm selling 2 here. So I'm in half a Bitcoin position. Okay, I'm a half Bitcoin position now. Granted, this is where I would have TP'd. So whatever, you guys get the case. You guys get the point. Now for me, stop is in profit because we don't want to get burned on fees, and your stop will incur a little bit of fees. So I'll move my stop up above my entry. Okay, just in case it comes down on you. You don't want to incur any sort of fees. You want a winning trade. We've already won here. Okay, we've already won. And if I took out 0.25, so a half a Bitcoin here, if I took out half a Bitcoin here, I'm up $450. That's a good day for me. I'll take that, send it to my piggy bank, no problem. And then we let the rest run. Then we let the rest run, right? Then we let the rest run. And so here is where the psychology in all of this is going to come into play. Okay. Here's where the psychology in all of this is going to come into play. We know we have Monday's high up here. We know that we have a 786 and an 886 up here. You know, and hindsight trading is so easy because obviously we know where it's going to go. I'm most likely going to TP again at I want to know where. That's Doge, you piece of crap. I'm going to TP at the 786, 886. Okay. And that's just me. Okay. That's for me. I'm going to TP at 70. So I'm not sure if it's up here. I guess I can pull. I guess that might have been right around here, 106, 586. So for me, I'm going to TP there. Okay, so once it gets up to that point, then I guess I'm going to TP. It all depends on your guys's risk and what y'all are happy with. But if you're in a trade like this, I probably would have TP'd. So I'm going to take one out here. Okay, sold one, didn't it? Yeah, TP'd. So that's where the 786 was. And then you let the rest run. Okay, you move your stop up even more. Now we're going to get this volatility to where we come down, stops at break even and above, and we get all of this here. Okay, what's the problem? There is absolutely no problem with any of this. Okay, yeah, we broke structure down. We have already taken profit twice, I'm sorry, at, so you got 450 here, you got another 250 bucks, $750. You're, and you could even, for me, then again, I'm moving my stop even more higher up. As this is going on, my stop is like probably right below this low. Okay, right below here. And I may have gotten stopped out, but we're not done trading yet. Okay, we're not done trading yet. Nope, didn't get stopped out. I would have been okay. Then we have daily open and VWAP right here. Okay, we blew right through it and boop, we stopped. So if we're at the computer and we're still trading and I see again that we have recovered the daily open and VWAP, I am getting back in. Definitely getting back in. Okay, and I wish I would have hit the button here, been a little bit quicker, but this goes pretty fast. But I am, as soon as we reclaim daily open and VWAP, I'm getting back in for probably another whole Bitcoin. Okay, probably for another whole Bitcoin. And if I go back and do bar replay over, it's gonna erase this here. So anyways, and that's Monday high. So I'm getting in here, putting my stop. Okay, I mean, shit. I probably would have, let's just say we get in here, stop here, targeting first TP is going to be that high, but I'm ultimately targeting Monday's high because I know, look at this, money flows coming back up on the 3 minute, the higher time frame, 15-minute money flows coming up. We have a 4-hour green dot that's printed. And here's that 4-hour green dot was printing here, and we got a nice move up. So I am targeting here. Yeah, I'm going to take 0.25 out here. Okay, I'm going to take 0.25 out here. So let's just say we go in for another Bitcoin right here. Okay. Let's see what happens when we get up to that high. I'm going to pause it as quickly as I can. And we're selling one here. Okay. Selling one here. The rest, I'm out right here. I'll speed it up. Crap. You guys get the picture though. Okay, it goes so fast. It comes back up again. I think. Yeah, 1 minute candles. Maybe not. Oh well. Anyways, if it doesn't, I don't remember if I thought it actually did. Yeah. So it comes back up to Monday's high. And that's where I fully TP and go short for a Monday's range trade. Okay. And we're out. Sell the farm. Done. Okay. And that is a good day. Okay. That is a very, very, very good day in trading. Now, we reclaimed VWAP here. I probably could have said that, and I most likely, I don't remember what I was doing here, but like I said, I'm a VWAP trader. I will get in a position on a reclaim of VWAP. Okay. And I don't remember. I was not here. Okay. I did get in somewhere around here and we rode it all the way up. But here is the easy part of this trade, which is here when you have this high here, okay, or this high here. Either one of these two would have been okay. And I'm not sure what we were doing here, but what I was doing. But this, they gave us 2 chances to get in, okay, and this. As you trade and as you look back on it, okay, hindsight trading is so easy and so easy. But our break, retest, money flows coming back up. The 1 minute looks great. The 5 minute, everything's coming back up on these short time frames. Okay. All the money flow is coming right back up on the shorter time frames. A 3 minute gives you a really good look. Okay. This right here, if anybody was long and you TP at VWAP, that's a great trade. You're already up. If you're going in for a Bitcoin or if you're going in for a half a Bitcoin, whatever amount it is, okay, for me, it's 1. For other people, it might be 0.25. Okay, 0.25. And, that would be, if you want to TP 4 separate times, then go out at, 0.06, 0.06 or 0.12 out here. And if that is however much money that is for you, is fucking fantastic, then there you go. Stop up here into above where you get stopped out, you're in profit for the day, and you walk away and you're happy as I'm in pig and shit. Okay, it just so happened to be we kept going up. Good, boom, we went up. Your stop is here, comes back down, and now, like I said, I would have had my stop down here, and boom, here we go. We're off to the races. You're still in this trade for a half a Bitcoin or 0.12 Bitcoin, whatever amount is how you guys do it, but. Try and break it down. I know that there's other groups that I'm a part of that, you know, we have 2 or 3 different TP spots. One would have been here, VWAP, and then targeting the 786 up here, and then coming on back down. You know, let some run, get stopped out, bring your stop up to here, and then a reclaim of VWAP. This was perfect. This was beautiful. Reclaim of VWAP and daily open at the same time. Whew. And then look what happened. It went up a shit ton again. So yes, everybody's like, this PA is bullshit. Not everybody. Some people, this PA is crap. Really, it's not. This is what you call volatility. This is what we want to see. We don't want to see this sucks. I don't want to trade this. Who wants to trade this shit? Who wants to trade this garbage here? You don't want to trade. You want that. Fuck yeah. That's what you want. That's where that's volatility. This is the volatility right here. Okay. I mean, you know, like I say, hindsight trading, and then it's the perfect spot. It's a perfect spot. We're going to go short for 5. And we're going to rock and roll and see where we're at. I don't even know where we're at right now. Definitely going to TP a little bit here. So we're going to sell 2 more right there. Stop loss is right here. No matter what happens now, let's see where we're at. Where are we at now? Wow, look at all that money we won. So that's where we're currently at right now. So, you know, this right here is something that we should have been watching out for right here with this high here. Okay, Bitcoin has been so bullish. Okay, so bullish. This is something we should have been watching for. And for me, I got my eye on the indicators so much. I got the momentum and the green dot, red dots, and MACD and fucking RSI and all that stuff. So this, I'm going to change things up a little bit. This is kind of a learning experience more for me too than for necessarily everybody. Good. Any way to improve the quality of video? Hard to see the chart. Really? Can you enter on VWAP after 1 minute candle close above it? I would have done that. Yeah, absolutely. I would have done that. As bullish as we've been, 100%. I would have taken a shot. I would have taken a shot here and put my stop down here. Or possibly done something like, this, where I put my stop below VWAP, somewhere around here where that would have made me comfortable. We created a 1 minute order block. Let's see if we got a 3 minute. Nah, we had that 1 minute. So yeah, it would have either been below VWAP or below the low. And I probably would have put it below VWAP. I mean, I would have even had time to set my stop, really. It would have just, I had 3 minutes to 1, 2. I probably would have been getting in, right around here. So $250 stop roughly, or below here. I don't know what I would have done at the time, but yeah, absolutely as bullish as we would have done. We've been reclaim a VWAP plus daily open, D open and VWAP 1000%. Above the last high break, that could be done. Some people wait for the retest of VWAP. That's why I asked. Yeah, it didn't even do that. It didn't even retest it. It didn't even do that. I'll have to see what is going on with the quality of the video. That's a OBS setting, and I'll have to go back and play around with that and talk to Gio and ask him what's going on with my video and why it's not great. So I'll get the settings from Gio later. Well, what time is it? 4 o'clock my time. So we got about an hour for the close. And I was short and took profit here when we started to come back up right around this area. I TP'd. So yeah, I was short from right around up here. And this is kind of where you like to see where structure is. So we're on the 1 minute. Let's look at the 3 minute. So maybe if it comes back down, we got low, high, low, back up. We're breaking this high here. I don't have my magnet on. That's why it's fucking me here. Is this correct? What's going on? I don't see the time. Oh, wait. I got to get out of bar replay. Huh. What's going on here? There we go. So yeah, there's that high broken. So maybe we come back down. Come back down and we can get back in again. Now we have lost Monday's high, so I'm a little sus as far as getting into a long right now. Let's look at 15-minute money flow, see where we're at. It's riding the 0 line, 30-minute. Doesn't look bad. 45-minute, if 90-minute, 150. Hourly, 2 hour, 3 hour. Nothing standing out to me that we are heading up. A 4 hour money flow is just leaking. It's a slow bleed. So we get these, we're coming down, then we come back up, and then we come down, and we come back up, and we come down, and then we come back up. And man, I'm not liking it very much. All right. And if we want to go back to these high time frames, let's go to the higher time frames. Now, from what I was talking about earlier, okay, 12 hour. Let me get out of Bybit and go into a cleaner chart for us. What do you say? There we go. I mean, the divs they are forming, okay? They are forming now. They're not confirmed. The 12 hour is ways away. Okay, 8 hour. I got the line there already. 18 hour. Same thing. 16 hour, same thing. 6 hour. I mean, we're forming. They're not confirmed. Okay, we are not confirmed at all. Okay, so we SFP'd that on the 5 minute. SFP'd that on the 5 minutes, so we could see the low again. Yeah, so Monday range trade. This just could be, you know, Bitcoin's so bullish that if we got in at Monday's high, anywhere around here, TP here, where I chickened out. I actually got here, but I wasn't at my computer either. I was out. I was on my phone. So that's definitely, phone trading is bad. But this is kind of how I wanted to really go over and hammer this here. Okay, this trade right here where we broke structure, came back twice. They gave it to us not once but twice. TP at VWAP, and I would have TP'd up here at the 786, 886, 786, something like that. And maybe the 786 was here, and then the 886 was here, which I also need to kind of start shying away from a bit too. But I've been using it for 7 years, and then re-enter here on D-Open and VWAP, and boom. I mean, this is what you want to see. You want to see volatility like this going into an area of a level, 786, 886, and then bam, see you later. Reclaim a VWAP. Man, I wish I was here for this. So that's what me and Gio have been talking about. Okay, so it's just a problem. Crisp and clear. Yeah, the Texan candles are blurry. Is it just me? Okay, sign off, sign back in. Looks better. Okay, all right, that's good. So this is kind of what we try and you know, hit home about is when we're opening a position to, and we have different levels to, we have different end goals. Like, what are we happy with? Are we getting into a trade here and then totally taking 100% profit here and you're happy? Like, fuck it, that's good for my day. Or do we want to TP half of it and let the path run, and whatever we get is what we get? You know what I mean? That type of stuff. And if you still had half a Bitcoin left over, or some left over from this trade here, and we know that this is a very big area, well, are we going to hedge our long with a short? You know, hedge our long with a short. TP up here, let a little bit run just in case, like 0.25. I'm just saying, you know, one Bitcoin at, you know, 4.25 entries, and let 0.25 run, and then go in for a Bitcoin here, one BTC for, you know, 0.25, 4 of those, and head on down. You're making more money here. You're losing on the 0.25 one, but if it, you know, you TP the short here or here, who is that? I can't find him. PR, I'm gonna server mute you, okay? All right. He's gonna be okay with it. Oh, he bounced. All right. Well, no, we broke structure here. We didn't come back down very far. We SFP'd that 5 minute, but on the 3 minute we broke it. And that's Bitcoin. We're super uber bullish right now. Are we going to get a little pullback? I don't know if I really want to do anything unless we get down to VWAP and confirm it as support and head back up, or wait till the new daily candle. Asia, what Asia did yesterday. What did they do yesterday? They went straight up, literally came straight down, went straight up, and then did that. London, actually London was more of over here, and they're the ones that brought us way down there. But we'll have to see what the new daily candle proposes. If we start trading up here, I am, man, what do I want to say? How do I want to word it? I am pretty bullish. If we start getting up here and getting up above Monday's range high, then we have a monthly and a daily naked point of control up there that everybody's eyeballing. Let's see if it's on my chart. It should be. Which chart is this? Oh, no wonder. All right, I want to be this one. Yeah. Yep, there we go. Daily naked point of control at 107.930-ish and a weekly at 109. So we start trading above this Monday range high, then we are definitely coming for here. And if we just completely blow through that, then we have this, and our all-time high is not much higher. Push that button. All-time high, baby. And I'm setting my alarm. Once per bar. Message all-time high, baby. So let's see what happens. We are uber bullish, or we could just be coming up. Money flow's coming up. MACD histogram's coming up, and the RSI is coming up too. We had some divs here. We had some divs on the 15-minute. That's for show. Market cipher divs. But we broke that. Definitely broke that high, and it gave us a little something, but broke that, broke that. We're bullish, boys and girls. Daily money flow. What did I say yesterday? Daily money flow is our trend, and it is heading up. I could imagine it doing the exact same thing, heading up some more. In 49 minutes when we close this one and open a new one. The trend is your friend. Today, are we closing? Today we have another candle, and I'm going to assume that we were eking down a little bit. So I think on the 2-day, we're probably going to start curving back up. And when we do that, we see big moves. Very, very big moves. I got to text somebody real quick. yeah, I mean, who wants to long up here? But you know how it can go. We all know how things are. Sometimes these YOLO, I mean, we could totally and completely disregard these naked points of control above us, but they're far away. They're $1,000 and then 2,000. 15-minute money flow is coming back up, and our 4-hour looks good. Am I getting along right now? No. I want to. See if we got any order blocks above us here to where we could, yeah, we got a couple of 1-minuters up there. Should have a 2-minute. Yep, we got a 2-minute right there. Is it a 3-minute? I hope so. No, it is not. Yeah, so we got a 2-minute right there. Maybe we come up here, tap into this 2-minute, and then start forming some sort of structure back down. All right. So I think, you know, I need to work on my structure a lot and getting rid of indicators. This money flow is what I'm going to start going off of and getting rid of everything else. But we are divving. We divved a lot, money flow. And we're just heading higher, and our money flow is getting lower and lower, which is sus. I really want to short it. But man, that daily money flow is 30-minute. Looks like it wants to head back up. This 30-minute has been pretty much money. 150-minute candle. Those green dots. The only way that I would keep the momentum waves on in the red dot, green dots is those 150-minute momentum waves. Those, for a little bit more of a swingy type of trade, we got a very, very nice entry here at the Monday mid at the 150-minute. And let's pull it up. No. Crap. Oh, green dot. Right here. Front ran it. Lower time frame. Let's go. We'll cut it in half. I got to take this call, guys. Give me one second. All right. All right, I'm back. All right, let's see. So, yeah, Monday high again. This is crazy. Crazy. They gave us a little bit of an entry here, didn't they? Well, let's see if we're going to stay confirmed up here or if we're going to actually die. But I'm going to go ahead and upload this to YouTube. But yeah, this right here is what I wanted to talk about right here. This specific area here is what pretty much gave us this entire trade, reconfirming VWAP on the way up here, Monday's high. Yeah, so this was an easy trade. This was a great trade. Maybe we come back down here a little bit more and hit a better order block. Shit, we got 3 minuters. Do we have any 5 minute? Yeah. 2 5 minutes. 10 minute. What happened to that 2 minute? Blew right through it. We created a 1 minute. I mean, we ain't got much up here. I don't know who that is. God, my phone's been ringing like crazy. Oh my God, I want to FOMO so bad. Ty, are you long, Ty? Is Ty long? Let me know, Ty. Speak up or forever hold your peace. I longed. Well, okay. Man, I want to long so bad. Breakout. We could fucking rip. We could rip. 106. That's not a terrible stop. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do here, boys and girls? Reach out. What are we gonna do? Oh my God. Fuck it. I'm gonna go short. Really? You're gonna go short? Oh my God. What am I gonna do? What to do, what to do. $15-minute, 4 hours. You guys are listening to me flopping and groping here, aren't you? What are we doing? I'm going short. Fuck it. Send it. All right. Well, red button pushed. I could set my stop. Yeah. Yeah. Go down to that 5-minute order block. Or there really isn't anywhere. I mean, I guess I could, yeah, you got to go above the high. Go above that order block. Sorry, Ty. Geo said shorting here is playing with fire at the all-time high. Right, dude, that isn't that how? I think you're lying, bro. I think you're lying. I think you're lying. Shorting here is playing with fire. Oh my gosh. All we need to do is break this low that we're currently at right now. We need to get below that low. Shorting here is playing with fire. There's no way he said that. Did he say it like, did he write it down, say it, type it? Type it, say it? No way. I don't believe you, bro. I don't. You're lying. You're lying. Well, here we go. Dump it, baby. And we're going to come back up to my stop loss. Should I play some music? Creating order blocks on the way down. 1 minuters. What's Ethereum doing? What is Ethereum doing? Is this Doge? Yeah, it's a Doge. All right, Ethereum. Ethereum. Yeah, here we go. We're coming down now. Let's go. Yeah, that would be fucking beautiful. This would be really nice. Elliott wave. Come all the way down to 105.8. Yeah. Yeah, we're coming back up. I need to sign out. Don't think we're going to go up anymore. I don't. Can you guys hear the music? No, can't hear the music. Yeah, I didn't think so. If I was on YouTube, you could, but I can't get it to come up. I find it very unlikely we got this high to not take all-time high. That and the fact that it's grinding up, I thought the consolidation last week was going to end in blood. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Geo said all-time high coming soon. Why aren't you talking? Corey is in here. Ty Why aren't you talking? Where is your mics? Where is Corey's mic? I don't think we're going up anymore, boys and girls. I really don't. I don't. God damn. Watching 1 minute candles is like watching water boil. I shouldn't watch 1 minute candles. Let's see. What else can I go over? Monday. I mean, we're in Monday's high. Fuck, we're at the all-time highs. There is no way Gio said that we're going to all-time high. Did he really say that? I think you're full of shit. Come on, Ty. I tried to talk, but you didn't hear me. Yeah, something's wrong. Something's wrong with your mic. Corey. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. All right, bro. I got a server mute you unless you're going to talk. Sorry about that. I really am. Okay, now we can go to 0. I want Permabear Geo back. Yeah. I want him back right now. Right? He's done it before. All right, I'm closing. I'm closing. Just so y'all know, I'm closing. I'm like, that was the dumbest. I know it was dumb, but it's one of my issues. It's one of my issues. There was no reason to close, but I'm scared. Transforming into crypto face. God damn it. Why did I close that? Where are we at? Everybody getting in my head. Prices are moving. It was okay. About ready to go short again. Just for Ty and Corey. See, look, it's coming back up. I'm gonna go long. Are you? Corey short. I'd really want to see what Asia's gonna do. Really want to see what Asia's gonna do. They could pump it to 120. They really could. I would not be surprised I wouldn't be surprised if they did that. It surprised me like not at all. What's it going to be just for fun? High is in at 107.3 for today and tomorrow. Go higher. That's in the crypto chat. If anybody wants to vote. Yeah, see, we're going to go higher. I'm glad I closed my short. Maybe. What's it going to be just for fun? Select one answer. High is in 107.3 for today and tomorrow. Go higher. Man. We're not going higher. We're going lower. I'm going to say the high is in. It's my vote. Damn it. Why did I get out of that short? God damn it. Okay. You know why? Let's talk about PTSD. Let's talk about Kenny and his little short PTSD that I have from 2017's run all the way up to 20K. Oh my gosh. I got PTSD from entering into Bitcoin when it was I don't know, $2,000, 2K, something like that. And it ran. Let's do I thought I had Bitstamp on here. Yeah, I do. Okay. Let's go back to the weekly and to this. Nope. Wait a minute. Yeah. This run here. I didn't understand this part. I didn't understand this right here. Because I got in it right around here in spot. Right around here. Okay, and I didn't know what this meant. I didn't know what any of this was. And so, yeah, I did okay, but then I sold my spot like here, 10K, right around here. And I got wrecked in this area. I went to, what exchange was it? Oh my God, I closed that short. I'm looking at it now. Oh, wow. Was it Femex? No, it was BitMEX. Okay, I don't even know if that place is still around, BitMEX. And I had no idea what the fuck I was doing. No idea what I was doing. And I simply took all of my profits that I bought in here, from here, and got wrecked. I lost it all. Like, I don't even know why. I don't even want to say it. Tens of thousands of dollars. And then I just researched and I watched videos and I learned throughout this whole entire time. And this played around a little bit, did some spot, did okay, got quite a bit of my money back, definitely did well here. And then bought spot here, literally bought spot right here at, nope, shit, I'm on the weekly, so 15.7, right around here. The daily is a lot more easier to point out. And sold it right here. Because we were supposed to die here. We were supposed to do this. Come up to the 618 here and die. Well, that's the 618 from here to here. See that? 618. And I didn't do that. Didn't die. Like we did here. See that? Ooh, see ya. Even if we didn't have COVID, we probably, maybe we wouldn't have came down so hard, but COVID was just a catalyst. It possibly would have came down a little bit, maybe to take out these lows or something, whatever. But we definitely didn't do that here. So, and I didn't buy in. I didn't buy it. I didn't think we were. And then we came back up to here, and I'm like, we're gonna die. And then boom, shot right back up, and that was the end of me. But I made a lot of money. From here to here, so that's okay. And then leverage traded, did okay, but whatever. Not about me. Ooh, coming back up. We have 13 minutes until new daily candle. All right, everybody. I'm pretty sure I am going to eat because I have not eaten since, I don't know, 9 o'clock this morning, 8 o'clock, and it is almost 5. Anybody saying, I'm curious, what area are you looking for a bear market bottom? Bear market bottom. I'll hang around. I thought I was just rambling and you guys were. Let's see, bear market bottom. What area am I looking at for a bear market bottom? Well, let me share. I'm pretty sure, it depends on stocks. Excuse me. It depends on what we're going to do here. Is this it? Is this the all-time high for the Dow? And SPY and SPX, is that it? Or are we going to keep coming up and just keep going where that probably is going to be the case, and Bitcoin's going to go and all that shit. But there's going to be a time where it's going to all end and it's going to be one of these. Maybe not that far, but I don't know. 70%, 80%, something like that. So if that happens, then I wouldn't be surprised if we see like this. But if we don't, if we don't have something like that and we have something like a 75%, which that's probably what I'm going to then I'm going to say 20 to 22K. Somewhere around here. Let's just say we come up to 120. And we very well could do 27, 28K. Right in between here, 28 and 20. So there's my answer. What's your indicator with the built-in fibs, or is that OBs? Those are OBs. That's Darren's. So I asked Darren, me and Jet asked Darren to do a couple of things for us, and this was one of them. These order blocks. Darren does things with, you know, he did podcast number 7 with us. Is that what you're talking about, Corey? The order blocks? The blue? Yeah, those are order blocks. I can have, you have an order block indicator, don't you? Okay. What else? Anybody got any other questions? Man, we're coming back down. 42K. Why would you say 42? When I have OBS installed, my mic does not work. It's so weird. Turn it off. You don't have to uninstall it, but turn it off. Damn it, that fucking short just is a bummer. Oh well, it's always off. Yeah, that is weird. We'll have to play with it. We'll have to mess around with it and chat one of these days. See if I can fix it. All right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna bounce. I'll see y'all. See you when I see you.